Welcome back to Modern Pulse, the ultimate destination for car lovers who crave detailed looks at the latest rides on the road. Today, we're diving into the rugged world of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Jimny LWB, and in this video, we'll focus solely on its bold and battle-ready exterior. From first glance, the 2025 Jimny LWB is a head-turner with its boxy silhouette and aggressive stance. Staying true to its lineage, the Jimny retains that iconic squared-off design, drawing inspiration from its earlier generations, yet bringing in a modern attitude. The long wheelbase version gives it a more commanding presence on the road, stretching the body to enhance both visual appeal and off-road readiness. Up front, the classic 5-slot vertical grille stands proudly, finished in matte black, flanked by circular LED headlamps that give off a retro yet futuristic vibe. The headlamp clusters are enhanced with integrated daytime running lights, making it instantly recognizable both day and night. Beneath the grille, a rugged bumper with sharp angles and integrated fog lamps adds to the tough character, ready to take on dirt trails and city streets alike. The side profile is where the long wheelbase truly makes an impact. With flared wheel arches, black cladding, and 15-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-profile all-terrain tires, the Jimny LWB looks every bit like a serious off-roader. The blacked-out ORVMs and door handles offer a nice contrast to the body color, while the extended side windows hint at added cabin space without revealing too much. A distinct shoulder line runs from the front to the rear, giving the body a cohesive and muscular feel. The slightly raised stance and generous ground clearance speak volumes about its performance intentions. Roof rails and an optional roof-mounted LED light bar complete the adventurous look, making it perfect for those who live life off the beaten path. Moving to the rear, the Jimny LWB keeps it classic and practical. A full-size spare wheel mounted on the tailgate not only nods to its heritage but reinforces the SUV's go-anywhere DNA. The tailgate swings sideways, just like older off-roaders, adding a utilitarian touch that adventurers will appreciate. Vertically stacked LED tail lamps sit on the bumper corners, designed to stay visible even when the boot is packed or the spare tire is in use. The bumper at the back mirrors the front with its tough, angular design, housing reflectors and rear fog lights for added safety. The high-mounted stoplight and roof spoiler add a dash of sportiness to the otherwise retro-inspired design. Overall, the rear completes a well-thought-out and aggressive exterior that balances nostalgia and modern functionality. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Jimny LWB's exterior is more than just eye candy, it's a visual representation of capability, history, and evolution. It stays loyal to its 4x4 roots while embracing the demands of the modern SUV segment. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or pulling up at a city cafe, the Jimny LWB makes a bold statement. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Jimny LWB's exterior. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Modern Pulse for more detailed car content. Until next time, keep exploring and keep the wheels turning.